it's me Tanya. Today also we made cupcakes, but not just ordinary ones. These are special cupcakes. Half chocolate, half vanilla cupcakes, plain vanilla cupcakes and plain chocolate cupcakes, and with different shapes. This is rose shape, this is heart shape, this is star and circle. You like it, right? They also look so delicious, and I really like the mix-up which we made in the colors. And our previous batch on top it was white and on the bottom it was brown. This time we did partly so we don't have to look up and down. And the first batch which I already ate. I really love these cupcakes. They were so delicious. And if you like my videos, then please remember to subscribe, like and share my videos. And thanks a lot for subscribing if you already have. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hi, this is me Tanya. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.